Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will learn approaches to remove an Android lock without factory resetting. First, verify essential prerequisites before proceeding. You need a PC, a USB cable, and a device that trusts the PC. Confirm USB debugging is enabled in developer options on the phone. If you cannot enable USB debugging, I will present alternate methods next. Remember that bypass techniques can risk data loss and legal issues. Proceed only on devices you own. Start by connecting the phone to the PC with the original USB cable. Authorize the PC from the phone dialog if prompted within 30 seconds. Open a command window and run a DB devices to confirm the connection. Run a DB shell, then enter rm/data/system/gesture. Key to remove the lock file. Finally, reboot the device with a DB reboot to let Android rebuild settings. This method works only if USB debugging and PC authorization were already enabled. If ADB is unavailable, try Google Find My Device by signing into the phone's Google account. Choose Secure Device or Lock and set a temporary password remotely to override the existing lock. On many Samsung phones, sign into Find My Mobile and use the Unlock feature to remove the lock remotely. After regaining access, immediately back up important data and enable developer options and USB debugging. Keep device security enabled and use strong, memorable credentials going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.